Tired of shaving every few days? What if you could wax and never shave again? Let's uncover the shocking truth about waxing and permanent hair removal. Does waxing lead to permanent hair removal? How waxing affects hair growth over time. Best practices for long-lasting results. Myths vs facts about waxing. The truth about waxing and hair removal. How waxing works: removes hair from the root. Unlike shaving, weakens hair follicles over time, leads to finer and slower regrowth. Can waxing make hair growth stop permanently? No. Waxing does not guarantee full permanent removal. It may reduce hair growth in some areas. Hair can become thinner and sparser over time. Electrolysis or laser treatments are needed for complete removal. The hair growth cycle: anagen growth phase, best time to wax. Catagen transition phase, hair starts detaching. Telogen resting phase, hair falls out naturally. Why consistent waxing helps target anagen hairs. Why some people experience less hair regrowth. Genetics play a major role. Hormonal changes affect hair thickness. Regular waxing weakens hair follicles. Some people naturally grow less hair over time. The best waxing techniques for long-lasting results. Use hard wax for sensitive areas: bikini, face. Soft wax for larger areas: legs, arms. Proper pre-wax skin prep improves results. Consistency is key. Wax every 4-6 weeks. Common waxing mistakes that can cause faster regrowth: not exfoliating before waxing, waxing too soon or too late in the growth cycle, pulling wax strips incorrectly, using low-quality wax, or improper technique. Does waxing damage the skin? Can cause irritation, but proper care minimizes it. Overwaxing can lead to skin sensitivity. Moisturizing and soothing products help prevent issues. Always use sunscreen on waxed areas. Home waxing vs salon waxing. What's better? Home waxing is more affordable. Salons provide professional precision. At-home waxing requires proper technique. Both options can work if done correctly. How long does waxing actually last? Typically 3 to 6 weeks. Hair grows back softer and finer. Consistency improves longevity. Results vary based on hair type and area. Natural alternatives to waxing for hair removal: sugar waxing, sugaring gentler on skin. Turmeric paste slows hair growth over time. Threading, good for facial hair. Permanent hair removal methods better than waxing. Laser hair removal reduces hair growth permanently. Electrolysis, the only FDA-approved permanent solution. IPL intense pulls, light, similar to laser, but less effective. Depilatory creams dissolve hair, but are temporary. Who should avoid waxing? People with sensitive or irritated skin. Those using retinol or skin-thinning treatments. Anyone with skin conditions like eczema. Consistency is key for long-term results. Like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips.